Hello guys, welcome back. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel, the #1 YouTube channel for your online earning tricks and tutorials. If you're new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to go through my previous videos, and I'm sure you're going to get something useful which can help you to make an extra income online. I provide tutorials for various sites, review for survey sites, proxy sites, Antidetect browsers, and so many other stuff. So be sure to go through my previous videos. If you're a returning subscriber and you enjoy my content, don't forget to share and comment under the videos which I post. I really like seeing the feedback of my viewers. If you haven't subscribed, as usual, hit the subscribe button, enable the notification so as not to miss any update that I post. So today I just want to review this proxy site called Blurpath. They provide dynamic residential proxies, which is their hottest package. They have unlimited residential proxies, SOX 5 proxy, ISP proxy, data centers, and ISP proxy and data centers. So here their pricing. Dynamic residential proxies are sold in terms of traffic, and for 1 GB, it's sold for $0.6. Unlimited residential proxies, they are sold for $68 per day. These are used for people having a bigger team of workers or people who require heavy usage of proxies in a day. So yeah, then they have SOX 5 proxy. It's built per IP. So one single IP costs around $0.04. Yeah. Then you have ISP proxy. It's also built per IP, and one IP costs around $5 per IP. Then they have data centers, which is priced at $5 per IP. Remember, the type of proxy plan you choose, either on any proxy site, including Blurpath, it all depends with the purposes that you need it for. For example, for surveys, dynamic residential proxies are best. SOX 5 proxies are good, although sometimes ISP proxies are good if you get a good ISP from them. So remember to select your proxies depending with where you're using them. I'm insisting on that because you cannot be using surveys and then you use data centers. I don't say data centers cannot work on surveys, but the likelihood is around 20%. But dynamic, SOX 5 and ISP proxy, dynamic and SOX 5 proxy, they are the best according to my view, but ISP proxy is like 80%. If you get a good ISP, you are good to go. If you don't get a good ISP, it can be very, very frustrating. Yeah. So always choose your proxy plan depending with where you're using your proxy on. I'm insisting on that. So you don't have an account here. Remember, they also stated where their IPs can be used on. I like going through this section because it shows you the capability of the proxies you're buying. So the proxies can be used for e-commerce, social media, SEO optimization, cybersecurity, blood monitoring, market research. This is basically about surveys, data acquisition, web testing, and ad verification. So if you don't have an account, as usual, you just click the sign up button. You can use a Gmail, GitHub account, or put your details directly and you get an account. So remember, they also provide a start trial. So click on the start free trial, follow the instructions, and you'll be able to get a trial from them. So in case of any issue, you can talk to them through Telegram and through WhatsApp and through the inbuilt web chatting feature. So once you create an account and you log in, this is the page. So once you log into your account, this is the first page that you get, and it shows you all your current plans and everything available on your plan. For example, you can see I have a residential proxy with a 29.75 GB. I have two ISP proxies. I don't have any repeated proxies and data center proxies and SOX 5 proxy. You can basically see all the details. I already showed you the various plans and how much they cost, but if in case you want to add funds to your account, in case you have gotten the free trial and you're interested in trying out their services, click add wallet, come here, put in any amount you need, click buy, then click buy here, Then you get options to load your account. You can either load using credit card, PayPal, virtual currency, or Alipay, depending with your convenience, whichever method is convenient for you. So that's about adding funds. Also, they have another way of, you can also buy directly. For example, if you want to buy like a data center proxy here, you go to data center. Just click buy now. After clicking buy now, they give you various options of loading your account. You can either load directly using the balance you loaded directly on your wallet, or if you don't have balance on your wallet, you can use credit card, PayPal, virtual currency, or Alipay. Basically, the form of adding buying a proxy, whether dynamic, unlimited, or whichever you need here, is the same, either using the wallet or using PayPal or the other options listed here directly. So now I bought a dynamic essential proxy, which I want us now to connect on an Antidetect browser. You can even connect it on a SOCKS 5 proxy app, or any proxy app you're using, either on your mobile phone, whichever you have. So for example, now if I click buy, it will show me the previous things I've shown before. I don't want to repeat there. The prices are also listed here. You can see they are sold in terms of traffic and they are monthly. Then generator, this is how you generate your what? This is how you generate your particular proxy that you need. These ones here. Generate the proxy that you need. Yes. So now, then the account, you can follow, you can be able to monitor everything about your account. You can even whitelist. You don't have to keep on using username and password. You can just whitelist your IP, post your IP here, add to your whitelist, and you don't have to use a proxy while collecting. You don't have to use a username and password, sorry. Then statistics can show you the usage of your IP. Then purchase history can see all the things you have bought. So now I want us to generate a proxy. Then country, let's say I want us to use United States. Then whichever country. You can use what? Like that. Then you can use SOCKS 5. Then you can say random, or you can select anything you want, either random or whatever. Then ASN. Remember, ASN is a specific number which represents internet service providers. So I like it putting it random like that. Then under sessions here, you can set it to rotate after 10 minutes, or you can make it to be sticky, and it can go up to, you can do even 200 minutes. The maximum is 120 minutes, sorry. Yeah, I was testing out. So the maximum you can put a sticky session using Blurpath essential proxies 120 minutes. So since I'm testing, let me leave it at 10 minutes rotation time. So this means that my IP will be rotating after every 10 minutes. Basically, choosing ASN is a random. They give you a random ISP. Then you're only able to select the country and the state. The ISP here, which is called ASN, I've explained what is it. You get it randomly. So once you get all those stuff, here you can see this is your proxy IP, this is your port, this is your username and password. But at the bottom here, they can give you a link whereby, depending on the site you're connecting on, you can click on it to be having everything for you, or you can be able to connect one by one, copying each one of them and pasting on your extension, on your proxy extension or proxy app on iOS or in Android. Now, if you want to connect, we are using Bit browser, so click here, click edit. Now go under, remember you're using SOCKS 5 proxy here, so go under custom, click SOCKS 5. Remember this link here, I copied this link here, this one, but you can also do the copy one by one. All this information is summarized here, and the reason I copied is because where I'm using it, they require a string of data, like IP, port, username and password all together at the same time. paste there, check the IP connection. You see, leave that. So you can see my proxy checked passed. My proxy check passed. So just click update and start. The same procedure, you can use it to connect either on iOS 65 app or Android or any proxy extension you're having. The mode of connection is the same. Let me minimize it so you can see it well. So this is it. So this is the connection here. Magnify it. See? Remember, in dynamic proxy, you're not able to select the country state, but the ISP is random. Yeah. So I got Cogent, but it all varies. It can, yeah, you can get any ISP. The ISP is random. So that's how you connect the port. That's how you connect the dynamic residential proxy from Blur proxy. So now I want us now to connect the static. I want us now to connect the static residential proxy. So I want us to use the same account. So here. So let me stop it. Then click edit. Now I want us to connect a static IP from them. So remember, I have shown you how to do the dynamic proxy connection. So I had another static residential proxy here. So under static IP I have some. Let's check and connect. So I bought an IP for $5 per IP. So let's go to my proxy list. Now I want us to connect the static IP. So let's use this one. So let me copy the IP here. Let me copy everything. IP, username and password. Copy them. Now I want us to connect this static proxy the same way we did on the dynamic residential proxy. So let me copy everything here. And connect. Very interesting. I'm also getting the same ISP as on my dynamic Cogent communications, since Cogent is the one giving very fast proxies on Bra proxy, but they have so many other ISPs, just that today I'm just getting Cogent on them. So that's how you connect dynamic residential proxy and static ISP proxy or any other proxy from what? From Blurpath proxy site. And that's all the review that I wanted to show you people about Blurpath proxy site. So guys, be sure to check out Blurpath. I'm going to post the link for registration under the video description, so you can test it out and give me the feedback under the comment section. So thank you for watching. Keep it locked to my next video.